Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to take off the weather strip without any damage on Lexus NX300. Okay, for this weather strip removing, first have to take off the door panel. I just plug back this window switch. We need to scroll down the windows, but first need to close these white things and press in the hole the cable, because pretty much the windows reach, and if broken you have headache. And then let's open it. Easy. Okay, take off this black inner rubber first. Just lift up. That's it. Okay, and then there is a 4-5 clip what pretty much holding. In this section this weather strip is joining in, so we need to start in the middle, around the middle, but now it's pretty hard because it's fully wet and slippery, and I hope so I don't broke it. It's possible to buy some weather strip remover tools. Oh. And then slightly just slide out and we are done. This is a clip. What we need to careful, try don't to broken, and after should be fine. And we are done. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.